Meaning of depth of focus.
Depth of focus.
Depth of focus.
Depth of focus.
Depth of focus. Depth of focus refers to the distance range along the optical axis within which an image formed by a lens or system of lenses appears acceptably sharp. In other words, it is the range of distances over which objects in an image appear to be in focus. Depth of focus depends on the aperture of the lens, the focal length, and the angle of view. It can be affected by factors such as aberrations and diffraction. Increasing the depth of focus can be achieved by decreasing the aperture or by using a shorter focal length.